Hi guys, I'm Guy, your DIY guy, and today we are going to unbox the ZigBee smart switch from Moes. This is a Tuya product, Tuya compatible product. So let's open it. Some documentation. The smart switch itself. And here are two screws. And as you can see, this is a single gang. This is only an unboxing of this product, but generally, if you want to connect it, you have the L in and the L2 over here. You can see these two screws. So, and assuming these are the two lines that you have the brown and the blue. The brown one should go into the L, and then you should fasten the screw over here to really hold the wire, and you connect the blue one over to the L2. So this is how it should be connected, like this. On a different video I will show you how to actually install it. That's it, guys. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and pressing the like button. Thanks a lot and have a great day.